One of the greatest advantages of working with California Closets is the reliability. Historically, developers have been a little price averse to contacting California Closets for doing the whole job. They'll call us for the individual jobs for individual customers. Today, with California Closets Commercial, we can do this scale with a local production facility with a great competitive price. So instead of designing 2 to 3 spaces in a home, we can design 200 to 500 spaces in multifamily condominiums, townhomes, and apartments. And with the combination of our California Closets national buying power and our state-of-the-art production capabilities, we can do this at extremely competitive prices. You're a developer, you're an architect, you're a general contractor, you're dealing with a significant project with a million different details. With California Closets, you can rest assured that we've got this. People know the California Closets brand. It's been around for 46 years. But candidly, the most important thing to me is building and designing better lives for our people. If a person feels like they're listened to and they're cared about, that'll come over to the customer. It creates a great customer experience. That's what we're all about. So if you're looking for a quality product and a reliable partner, we have the perfect solution that is ready for your next project, no matter the scale or complexity.